Welcome to our planet, millions of years in the past. A world of vibrant life where colossal creatures roamed landscapes vastly different from our own. This was the age of the dinosaurs, a time when Earth's climate was dramatically warmer, wetter, and more extreme than the world we know today. For over 160 million years, dinosaurs thrived in this challenging environment. They witnessed the breakup of continents, volcanic eruptions that darkened the skies, and fluctuations in climate that would have pushed many other creatures to the brink. But dinosaurs were not merely witnesses to these changes, they were masters of adaptation. Join us as we journey back in time to uncover the secrets of how these magnificent creatures evolved, adapted, and dominated a world much hotter than our own. Picture our Earth during the Mesozoic era, the age of dinosaurs. The continents, a far cry from their current positions, were huddled closer together. Volcanoes, far more active than we know them today, breathed fire and fury into the atmosphere, spewing forth gases that would shape the very climate itself. The air was thick with carbon dioxide, much higher than the levels we experience today. This created a greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising global temperatures. Imagine a world without polar ice caps, where lush forests stretched from the equator to regions that are now frigid wastelands. This was the reality for the dinosaurs. The average global temperature was significantly warmer, perhaps as much as 10 degrees Celsius higher than what we experience today. The oceans, vast and teeming with life, were warmer too, their currents circulating this heat around the planet. But this hotter world was not a uniform sauna. The intense heat led to a more active water cycle. Evaporation from the warmer oceans fueled powerful storms and monsoons, drenching the land with torrential rainfall. These intense downpours carved out vast river systems and created lush, tropical environments. However, even in this hot, humid world, there were variations in climate. The interior regions of the continents, far from the moderating influence of the oceans, would have experienced scorching summers and surprisingly chilly winters. These fluctuating conditions, this constant push and pull between extremes, played a crucial role in the evolution of the dinosaurs. It was a crucible that forged resilience, driving the development of remarkable adaptations that allowed them to not only survive, but to thrive. Dinosaurs, unlike any creatures alive today, evolved an astonishing array of adaptations to cope with the heat of their world. Their very physiology, the way their bodies functioned, was intrinsically linked to their environment. One of the most enduring mysteries surrounding dinosaurs is their metabolism. Were they cold-blooded, relying on the external environment to regulate their body temperature like modern reptiles? Or were they warm-blooded, generating their own internal heat like birds and mammals? The answer, it seems, lies somewhere in between. Emerging evidence suggests that dinosaurs may have been mesothermic, a physiological strategy that combined elements of both cold-blooded and warm-blooded metabolisms. This unique adaptation may have allowed them to conserve energy while remaining active in a variety of temperatures, but their remarkable adaptations extended beyond their internal workings. Their physical features played a crucial role in regulating their body temperature. Let's take for instance the iconic plates of Stegosaurus. These massive structures, once thought to be purely defensive, are now believed to have acted as giant heat exchangers. Imagine a Stegosaurus standing in the midday sun, its plates angled to catch the breeze. Blood vessels running through these plates would have allowed the dinosaur to radiate excess heat, much like a car radiator preventing overheating. And then there are the feathers. Yes, feathers. While we often associate feathers with flight, many dinosaurs, even those not directly ancestral to birds, possessed feathers. These feathers, likely much simpler than those of modern birds, may have served as insulation, helping to keep these creatures warm during cooler periods. But size, as it so often does, played a significant role in heat regulation. The sheer size of some dinosaurs, particularly the long-necked sauropods like Brachiosaurus, would have made them incredibly efficient at retaining heat. Their massive bodies, with a low surface area to volume ratio, would have acted like giant furnaces, keeping them warm even during cooler nights. Chapter 3: Dinosaurs at the Poles, Surviving Seasonal Extremes. The Mesozoic world, though warmer overall, was not without its challenges. As we venture further from the equator towards the poles, a different picture of dinosaur life emerges. Here, in these more temperate regions, dinosaurs faced a unique set of challenges: long, dark winters and dramatic seasonal shifts. Fossil evidence paints a vivid picture of dinosaurs thriving in these polar environments. In Alaska, we find the footprints of hadrosaurs, duck-billed dinosaurs, suggesting that these large herbivores migrated long distances to take advantage of seasonal vegetation. But how did these dinosaurs cope with the long periods of darkness and cold that characterized the polar winters? Adaptations, it seems, were key to their survival. Some dinosaurs, like the small feathered theropod Dinosaur, possessed remarkably large eyes. These oversized eyes would have allowed them to see in low-light conditions, essential for finding food and navigating during the dark winter months. Hibernation, a strategy employed by many modern animals to survive harsh winters, may have also been utilized by some polar dinosaurs. Fossil evidence suggests that some species may have dug burrows, seeking refuge from the cold and conserving energy during the lean winter months. And then there's the intriguing possibility of dinosaur herds huddled together for warmth, much like penguins do today. Imagine a group of feathered dinosaurs, their bodies pressed close, sharing body heat and weathering the harshest months together. These polar pioneers demonstrate the remarkable adaptability of dinosaurs. They were not confined to tropical paradises, they were masters of their environment, capable of thriving in some of the most challenging conditions our planet had to offer. Chapter 4: Heat and Diet, How Food Influenced Survival. In the steamy jungles and across the sun-baked plains of the Mesozoic, the quest for sustenance was a driving force in dinosaur evolution. Their diet, whether they were herbivores grazing on ferns and cycads or carnivores hunting their prey, played a crucial role in shaping their adaptations to a hotter world. For the herbivores, the abundance of plant life in the warmer climate presented both opportunities and challenges. The lush vegetation provided ample food, but it also meant consuming large quantities of plant matter to extract enough nutrients. Some herbivorous dinosaurs, like the armored Ankylosaurus, developed incredibly long digestive tracts, allowing them to break down tough plant material more efficiently. Others, like the hadrosaurs, possessed specialized teeth, capable of grinding their food into a pulp, maximizing nutrient extraction. Carnivorous dinosaurs too faced unique challenges in the heat. Hunting is an energy-intensive activity, and in a warmer climate, overheating could be a real threat. Many predatory dinosaurs, like the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex, may have been crepuscular, meaning they were most active during the cooler hours of dawn and dusk. Others, like the Spinosaurids, a group of large theropods characterized by their crocodile-like snouts and sail-like backs, may have adopted a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Fossil evidence suggests that these dinosaurs spent a significant amount of time in and around water, using rivers and lakes to regulate their body temperature and hunt for fish. This intricate link between diet, behavior, and adaptation highlights the remarkable way in which dinosaurs were shaped by their environment. They were not simply passive inhabitants of a hotter world, they were active participants in an evolutionary dance, their very survival dependent on their ability to adapt to the challenges of their world. Chapter 5: Lessons for Today. Can we learn from dinosaurs? As we face climate challenges, dinosaurs offer a compelling case study in adaptation and survival. Their story holds valuable lessons for us today. Dinosaurs thrived in a world with higher carbon dioxide levels. Studying their fossils gives us insight into adaptation to a warmer world. Their story is a testament to natural selection. Dinosaurs evolved adaptations to cope with heat, from specialized skin to unique strategies. But their story is also a cautionary tale. Dinosaurs were wiped out by a catastrophic asteroid impact. This reminds us of the fragility of life and the importance of protecting our planet. Understanding their adaptation helps us with climate change impacts. Their story highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Even small climate changes can affect entire ecosystems. The most important lesson is the importance of adaptation. We must adapt to the challenges of a warming planet. This means reducing our impact and developing sustainable technologies, working together to create a sustainable future for all life on Earth. The dinosaurs' legacy lives on in the fossil record, a testament to the power of life to adapt and thrive. Their story is a call to action. We have the power to shape our destiny and create a future where humanity and nature thrive. Dinosaurs were the undisputed rulers of a hotter Earth, their reign a testament to the power of adaptation and the tenacity of life. Their story, etched in stone and bone, allows us to glimpse into a world vastly different from our own. A world where giant reptiles roamed freely and the very air we breathe was different. Though the age of dinosaurs ended in a cataclysmic event 66 million years ago, their legacy lives on. Birds, the direct descendants of dinosaurs, soar through our skies, a living reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. As we face our own environmental challenges, the dinosaurs serve as both inspiration and cautionary tale. Their story reminds us that life finds a way, that even in the face of adversity, adaptation is possible. But it also reminds us that even the most dominant species can be vulnerable to change. Would modern animals survive in a dinosaur's hot world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.